brother. May God bless you for today. May God bless you for watching. And today I want to tell you that not all glitters are good. This is what was revealed to me, and I want to share it to you as a brother, as a sister. Maybe you saw something that is appealing to you. It may not as good to you as you think. You saw something that is attracting to you. It may not be as good as you think. You saw something that you think may have a pleasant taste. But I want to tell you, it may not be as you think. My brother, what is inside the thing that is attracting you that matter? I know where I'm coming from. I know what I have seen as a man of God. Stay with me and you understand where I am coming from. My brother, it may not be as you think. You think it may have a pleasant taste. It is yummy. But what is inside? Is it good for your body? Is it good for you to get? Not all glitters are gold. This is what was revealed to me. That I was sleeping and I saw my interaction with the lady that I was proposing to. She was covered with the linen. This is for teaching purpose. My brother, this lady denied me. My proposal, she denied it. But as I was sitting there, she woke. And the linen fell off, partially fell off. And I was behind her, so I saw her buttocks was wounded, big, heavily, bigger wounds all over her buttocks. You may see somebody very beautiful that you cannot wait to lay her in bed. You may see some food that you want to taste it. The things that we lust for, it may not be good for you like that, like you think. Let the Lord lead you. Let God lead you. In all your ways, submit to Him. My brother, this is what I want to share with you, my brother. My sister, please subscribe to this channel. I have many to share with you. You can see today, it's dated. This is what I have written. Today it is dated. My brother, I have a lot to share with you. Subscribe to my channel. I'm saying things. It will be helpful to you. If somebody deny you, you worth well. You worth more. You worth well. You are better than you see, than people sees you. There is something in you. There is something in you. Let the Lord lead you. Let it come out. My brother, you are not who people think you are. They may deny you, but God has not denied you. But the Bible says, for all have sinned and have fallen short for the glory of God. The glory of God that is in you. Seek for the face of the Lord. You will know you are famous. You will know you are a great person. You have been given to a lust. Things that last, that will degrade your body. That will let you forget about the good things the Lord have for you. The good things that is in place for you. It is time for you to turn to God again. Turn to God, my brother, and you will see a better future. He is the God who can lift you. He is a lifter of men who can lift you no matter who you are. You did not go to school, my brother. It does not matter. Your life is not late. It's not late for you. You will even skip those educated men. The vision when the 74 people were sent by Jesus Christ, they went and they performed miracles. When they returned, they were very happy. And this is what Jesus Christ said. He said, this is hidden from the land and what? And then the knowledge people and the wise. The miracle that the Lord can use you for. The wonders that the Lord can use you for, position you in your life, is hidden from the wise and then the learned. Only when you get to God, get close to God, He will show you these good things. Not everybody in the church has it, because they are not worshiping truly. They have not given themselves wholly to God. My brother, this is advice to you, that there is something great in you. No matter the denier, no matter what people sees you are a great man of God. You are a great man. God can use you for His own purpose in life. Don't accept anybody who looks down on you, who think you are nobody. The Lord will put them to shame. He will lift you up. He will lift you up, my brother. Share the link. Share this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. May God bless you as you do so. May God bless you as you do so, my brother. Not all glitters are gold. I saw the lady. Her shape was good. Her color was nice. Beautiful color. Beautiful face. But the linen that was covering her body, when I saw her, it was really covering something. He was covering something. But when the cloth, when it fell off a little bit and I was able to see what is hidden in that cloth, then I realized the thing that you see, what is inside the thing you see is that matter. The thing, what is inside, it could be an attitude, the behavior of a person, ethics, food, health condition, and so many things that is possible to relate to, that could be covered, that the eye can see. The eye, that could be hidden from the eye. That could be hidden inside something. What is inside what you see? Oh, this food that you see, yes, it is. It feels like it smells good, but when you put it in your mouth, you may feel like it does not taste good. Though it smells good, but it may not taste good. It smells good, it tastes good, but it may not be good for this body, your body. My brother, share this video, like, comment. This is what I have for you today. Don't kill yourself for who denies you or what you are unable to afford or get. Don't kill yourself for it. Know you worth well. You worth. God needs you for his ministry. Be ready. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. What do you have? Tell me your mind, what you think about what I saw in the dream, what the Lord revealed to me as a man of God. May God bless you. May God be with you. We will meet another time. Goodbye.